What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I bring you a Sunday stock watch list. Right off the rip, you're gonna notice that this looks like a different setup. It is. I'm on vacation, traveling around. I'm currently in Egypt. I'm gonna be going to different parts of Europe and all that good stuff. I will be recording a vlog for you guys for this trip. And I got a lot of special things coming for you guys, especially on YouTube and Instagram. So make sure you take advantage of that. But before we get started in this video, this is a Sunday stock watch list where I'm gonna go over, a couple things I'm watching this week. I actually have some decent Wi-Fi. I didn't think I was gonna be able to trade here, or at least with full size, but based on the Wi-Fi, I think I can work with it. So before we get headed into this video, if this video gets 200 likes, this Wednesday I'll upload my P&L for July, and I think you guys will enjoy that. My hair is a little wet right now. Just got out the shower. I have a dinner reservation in a little bit, so things are a little mess, but let's get started with this video. So we have the earnings here. Right off the rip, you can see Pinterest. That's something that moves a lot. We've seen it move 20-30% on earnings day. We have things like Uber, Caterpillar, BP, JetBlue, AMD, PayPal on Tuesday. A lot of important things. Airbnb and Starbucks. A lot of you guys like that. Wednesday you have Moderna, CVS. Other than that, Robinhood and Lucid, that I could care less about. Thursday we have AMC for all you degenerates here. Alibaba, Fubo or Fubo TV. A lot of you guys used to play that because it had a lot of short interest. Crocs does move pretty good on earnings, based on previous data. Datadog is cool. DraftKings on Friday, and a whole bunch of other stocks. So you do have an action pack. None of the stocks here are actually important to the market. Airbnb could be looked at as something to watch here, but other than that, nothing here is like an Amazon or a Tesla or Apple or any of those, chip stocks like Nvidia and, Lam Research and all that good stuff. As far as the economic calendar, I'm going to make this easier for you guys. Go to Trade Like Nour. I have the earnings there and the calendar. It's very clear in the picture. You could just screenshot it, save it on your phone so you know what's going on for this week, rather than on the laptop here, because it just stretched it out too much. So the first thing I have it written down here, I'm watching Tesla for this week. This has been on an absolute tear. Friday was up $50. If I was home, I went not even a quarter of my size. I made $19,000 on Friday. So if I was home, this was an easy six-figure day for me. Just obviously the Wi-Fi I was working with at that time was way worse than this, so took it a lot easier. But as you can see, this thing has ripped. You could even you could have caught on Friday, after the big move that I caught, you could have caught a breakout to the upside from 866 up to 875, 880, 890. So it was a pretty insane day for Tesla. Now, what am I looking at for this stock? If I put this on the 1 hour for you, you could see that we're in this nice little trend. Obviously an uptrend. This in the last 20 days, this has gone from 650 all the way up to 890. So it's been an insane route here for Tesla. Let me clear this for you guys real quick, because I don't trade on my Mac. I trade on my PC. What the hell is that? Oh. Clear drawing set. Make it easier for you guys. So I am watching this 900 level, and then you can see this consolidation up at that 910. So from 910, I am watching 910, and obviously after 910, I want to get a nice squeeze on Tesla, because this has been a long time coming. Market has been recovering. Does that mean we're fully in the clear and the market is back to rallying? Not really, but you just have to go with the flow. Don't be biased. Don't think, oh, just because the market has been bearish the last 3 months, the market was going to crash. At 617, people thought this was going to $400, $300, $200, whatever. Just don't be biased. So Tesla's the first thing I'm watching just because of that momentum. The next thing is Netflix. Let me show you why. Look, it's taking a sec to load the fucking charts. Let's go on the 1 hour. Let's see, which chart do I like the most here so you guys can see it. I'm probably going to screenshot this and post this on Instagram later. But yeah, you can see 230 has been rejected multiple times here. Every time it comes to 230, it gets rejected. So I'm watching for a squeeze above 230 on Netflix. If that can get through, then we got something on our hands here to the upside. So something I'm watching. If I don't have Tesla, if I have Tesla, always take Tesla over. That's just my stock. Everybody has their own stock, and Tesla's mine. So if I don't have Tesla, I'll take Netflix if it comes that way, either way. So if Tesla doesn't have it, Netflix doesn't have it, I'm not going to force anything, and I'll just be, you know, cash. So that's Netflix. Next thing I'm watching is, which one did I want to talk about first? I believe, oh, Meta, Facebook. Facebook. This thing is struggling pretty badly here. So as you can see, they had some rough earnings here. Snapchat had some rough earnings. But you know, you can see right here, this is struggling, and we're breaking the trend for the first time since we started in it back in July 1st, right? The low that we made recently when everything was crashing at the same time was 153, and we're pretty close to that. So to the downside, if Meta can't hold up and the market isn't strong enough to, you know, keep this a hold, because in my eyes, Friday market was holding up, and you know, Meta was down. So imagine if the market can't hold up, right? What's going to happen with Meta? So I'm watching the 155, 154 level. I just want to see how it gets treated. I'm watching times and sales as we get there. But for the downside, obviously you can just use 153 if you wanted to. But I'm going to be watching 155 and the 154 range and just see how we react there. Do we get some buying pressure? Does this get a bounce back up to 160 to retest? So that's going to be very important for me to see as far as Meta. Now, the next thing I want to watch here is BA, but before BA, did I have anything? Oh, I mean, I had Google, but I'm probably not going to touch that. I'll show you guys, since you guys love these cheap contracts. I'll show it to you. I believe it's on the 1 year. Yo, if this does this Monday, I will not be trading. How am I having trouble opening charts here? Alright, give it a sec here. It's working, or waiting for data. So we have Google, flat top. It's on the 1 year. Any day now. Good job. Alright, I'm watching the 119 area. Obviously, you can, people round that up to 120. I'll probably use the 119, 120 range just to decipher whether this is going to be a good breakout or not. I want to see if it gets rejected, because as you can see, when it gets rejected, this comes all the way back to like 105, and we don't want to see that. I don't want to be in that trade regardless. But as of right now, if we can get through that 119, 120 area and you start seeing some buying pressure, that will be you know, my signal that this is ready to break out to the upside. Now, the market has just been hot recently, and Tesla's been the hottest. So don't base the market based on what's happened the last 2 weeks. So just don't be too confident something breaking out just because the last 2 weeks we've been strong and we bounced off lows. Take it easy, read it, still take your time with these plays. You're not going to miss out on plays. I know a lot of you look at it like, hey, I don't want to miss out on a crazy breakout. I have to get full in position at this level, this level, this level. It doesn't work like that. So that's Google. BA has a gap. I know for the, you know, the gap players, the people that love playing gaps. You can see it on the 1 year. Starts at like 163 and change. You could say 164, and has room up to like 166, 165. Let me actually get a closer look at that. Give me one second. Yeah, like 166, 167. I don't like doing it perfectly, but it allows me to see exactly, you know, where at least I can get an idea where this is going to start. So yeah, in the 163.30 area, that's where the gap starts for BA, all the way up to 166, 167. It's probably like 166.95 to be exact, but that's not important. But that's part of a gap play. If you guys are interested in any of the gap plays, that's one of the gap plays. So we have a few things on our table here for this week. I will be updating you on my Instagram. It's easier for me, especially recording and uploading. This is a lot more work as far as, you know, the Wi-Fi issue. So I will be updating you. Make sure you follow my Instagram, Trade Like Nour. That's strictly trading. The Nour trades, I show you everything else, lifestyle trading, profits, all that good stuff. And then you have StockHours. Other than that, the account is fake. Stop asking me. I'm verified on Instagram. Stop getting scammed. So If you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button. 200 likes, and Wednesday you guys get the July P&L. I'll see you guys. Peace.